gone since your mom passed away.
Yeah, I miss her a lot, but I'm okay. Wow, that was fast. This is the check I've been waiting for. Mom had a guaranteed acceptance life insurance policy through the Colonial Penn program. And this will really help with lots of her fun expenses.
Affordable.
It costs less than 35 cents.